Town of Southbridge, a joint protection of person and property subcommittee town council meeting. Revised agenda, Wednesday, September 4, 2024, 7 p.m. Veteran Hall. Call to order. Roll call. Council Riva.
Present.
Council Ortiz.
Present.
Citizen Member Adam.
Present.
Citizen Member Lattichow.
Present.
And me present, Councilor Dow. Agenda 3, review, discuss police department transfer request for $9,500 from account 001210511000 salary and wage to account 001210524200 data processing to cover any additional support fee for the police department body worn camera program for the remainder of the fiscal year, and entertain a motion to recommend town council approval for transfer.
So. Second.
Any, Chief?
And if I could, through you, Mr. Chair, so this was an accounting error essentially on my part during the budget process in January and February. I was under the impression that Motorola, our bill was going to be for a service fee $7,500. That's what I budgeted for as part of my whole data processing account, which is $55,000. It wasn't $7,500. We got the bill. It's $9,500. So I ended up being short, or I would be short this fiscal year. That's the only reason why I'm here so early. I've never asked for a transfer this early, but it was an oversight on my part. It's a new program. That with the accreditation, a lot of our accounts had increased. I was going to try to pay this out of specialized services, but I was told by finance I could not. It has to come out of data processing. So here I am now, and I'm requesting a transfer this early. I have the money to do it, but it has to come out of this account, per the account.
Anyone? Anybody? Everybody in favor? Correct. Agenda 4, review, discuss the standard contract between the town of Southbridge and Quinsigamon Community College, QCC, for $10,000 for police detail and coverage for our Southbridge side, effective July 1, 2024 to August 31, 2025. Entertain a motion to vote to recommend the town council ratify and standards vendors contract with QCC and authorize the town manager to sign all related paperwork.
So.
Some move. Second.
This is just allows us to enter into the contract between, as you know, they rent space from the town at the middle school, high school, and the chief provides some additional police details up there, correct? Is that?
Yeah, and if I could, through you, Mr. Chair, we've done this for years. This is an annual thing with Quinsig. The chief had asked me to put this in this year. They actually stopped for a year. They have an agreement with Quinsig to actually have a police officer whenever the kids are up there from Quinsig at night. And sometimes they provide a Quinsig police officer. When they can't fill that, they ask us to do it. So that's why it's relatively small money, but all costs are covered by Quinsig whenever we're put up there.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, through you on the contract, at the very bottom, termination date on the contract itself, it should say August 31st.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have,
Just a quick question, how often do they have you, how often has that happened in the last?
Through you, Mr. Chair, right now, I would say it has diminished greatly. We used to be up there a lot more often. Now I would say, if I could give you a guess, a couple times a month. So we'll never exceed that $10,000 contract item. This is just to make sure that we cover it.
Thank you.
Anybody else? All in favor? All in favor. Motion passed. Agenda number 5, review, discuss a fire department transfer request for $8,100 from account 001220530000 specialized service to account 001220524200 data processing to streamline all internet-based service through the data processing account for the remainder of the fiscal year. Entertain motion to recommend town council approve the transfers.
So,
Second. So move second. Any discussion? Fire chief? you have anything?
good evening, everybody, through the chair. This is a very similar and additional information to what the police chief just said for his for his transfer. In June, the auditors came in to see the town accountant. At that time, the auditors made a request to make sure that all data is taken out of the 5242 account, where the police chief, when he was talking with the town treasurer, town accountant, that's why she's told him no to use specialized services, because it has to be transferred over to the data services. So technically, all cell phone bills were being purchased or paid for through specialized services, but like I said, the auditor told them that it has to go through data. So that this $8,100 was in my specialized services account, so this is just a transfer to make everything right for the auditors and the accounts office.
Anybody else? All in favor? Hold on.
Jack,
Councilor.
are these one of these accounts, are they gonna be like maybe all grouped together in the future as one data processing, or is each department?
I would say each department, I would have to take a look at that because it's specialized for different, I would rather have the chiefs manage their Everbright, he has specialized services with 911, his first due and all that, and the chiefs, he has his own IMC and everything,
I'm just
so.
curious if
They're
you
not
grouped them
equal.
together.
They're not equal, so it'd be, I'd rather have those department heads manage their specialized. We take in like our purveyor for like security, network security. We're talking about possibly doing some of that as a town, but anything specialized for department, I'd rather keep it with the department. That's their responsibility.
All set? Anybody else? All in favor? Vote to adjourn?
So those.
All in favor?
I'll-
Thank you.